well, we got here to another track. Mouses. Go over and see if he races. Cool track. First time on this track, so don't laugh. That's a rough one to learn, bro. Ah, shit. Arm pump already, lap 2. I gotta psych myself up, don't laugh, dude. First time on this track. I do that, I'll be out in that road. Bro.
This one here? Yeah.
What happened? What'd you do? Go down?
He said he did.
I didn't even see you.
I hit that. Come out this burn safe and give it all I had. Jump like this. Nose diving, panic grab. I landed straight up. Shit, I went down there.
I ain't gonna bullshit, I'm scared of the jump.
It's fun track, man.
I know, but I'm scared, bro. I'm already weak armed, man. Look at that.
Oh.
Whoa. That's a Ronnie Mac right there. Straight up and down. Ronnie Mac 69, huh?
You ain't got enough time to react to it.
I know, right?
Well, it didn't hurt the bite. No, I thought it did. Oh, God,
whoa, cowboy. Wow. I just can't bring myself to do it, boys. I feel like I ain't got enough run and go, you know what I'm saying? I I know I got the power. I know I can. You know what I'm saying? I just don't feel like I can. I think because I hurt my fucking knee, bro, I'm scared. I mean, what?
I wanted to see it.
It could be on the camera. I mean, sometimes it catches stuff I don't.
Barrel rolling down through there.
Was you?
Yeah,
Oh, you all right?
Yeah. I went down once. I almost went down 5.
This soft dirt's a little better, ain't it?
See it? You landed, you just trying to hold on. Man, that kid right there is good.
Yeah.
You know he's only like 17. That's killing you. Yeah, that's it.
Hey, did
Look, hey, let the light is loose. It's up and down, up and down.
you see Andy Rick? I mean, not Andy, but Barry.
Barry went down hard, you see.
Yeah, you see, Barry rolled it.
Try it. Just steady throttle second gear. Or hell, I was going in third. Was you? Yeah, but just steady throttle. Feel like
What did you say on the back? You said on the back and what? Half throttle?
Quarter throttle.
Quarter, yeah.
Hey.
I don't like that. Loose, I don't like.
Did I look pretty good up? I feel it. I think it's working good now. It's good.
Yeah, I like it. I'm still scared of the duck. Alright, you had to go and wreck. Now I'm more scared. Good job, buddy.
He said it looked like
Oh, I didn't even see it. Oh, he did?
Yeah. He seen me do it. He said it looked like he was holding on for dear life.
Only thing I don't like is this turn right back there.
I got tired when I first got here. I felt good going to the front wheel. Yeah. Had to get some good spot. He said he was going to push I clicked second and give it all she had.
This one?
For no dive. I started state diving with it. Well, I panic grabbed. When I panic grabbed, when I hit the ground, that's all she had. Stood straight there. There I went. He said it looked like he was holding on for dear life. I like that jump right there. Which one? This last little double right here. Yeah, I didn't think.
I'm scared to hit anything yet.
I don't know if it's where the adrenaline or what.
Which one did you wreck on? This one?
Right here, since you got this thing.
Where he's hitting right here? What'd you say? Oh, somebody else went down. Who was that?
That's that boy on that. Calm down a little bit. Breathe a little bit. Trust me, your back's fine. You won't be standing up. Just breathe. In and out. You're fine.
Breathe it out. Yeah.
I can't stand up.
You sure?
Yeah. I can't.
Listen. Big deep breath in. Hold it in. Blow it out. Come on. Now stand
You
up.
just gotta breathe.
The more you bend over, the more you're not going to breathe.
You wanna lay back? Let's try to straighten that leg out.
Just breathe.
Yeah, you're fine.
Knock your breath out.
You just took a little hit, man. You're alright.
There you go, breathe.
Just gotta breathe.
Big deep breath in and out. Hold your breath now.
Keep on breathing. You're just gonna be a little bit sore.
Then you are you through, man.
You really been trying to walk. Try to walk it off. You wanna get up? Good.
Stand up to the rocky arm. There you go. Sit down.
I seen it set down.
I say you kind of look that.
That coming off that one.
You know,
His tire mark here, at least.
I would say probably.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he did, didn't he? First lap. Hey, yeah. He's out.
Good, bub? All right. Heck yeah. Appreciate it.
Good try.
That's already happens. I reckon too off that.
He's alright.
Alright. I tried to hold on. No, sir. Yeah.
Hopefully it's you again, not me.
Last year,
I can't handle it.
Or me.
Not where it started going side to side, and it just bucked him off. Well, as soon as I got here, I started trying to pack it through here a little bit. Then I come up on this and click neutral and nose dive off of it.
Yeah, I think it's starting to realize some people can work this shit.
Push it out there.
Oh, knees.
Bunch of green on the track. One red. Little kid's doing it, I gotta do it now. Little kid's doing it, I gotta do it now. That's a 250 gang. No, that's a 450 gang. 250 didn't have dual pipes in their buried. That's CRS?
Yeah, they did.
Did they?
Yeah.
Is that a 250? Oh, okay. You a little sore?
Yeah.
I bet.
Yeah, my knee's good. That hurt. When I flatland that one, it's bad.
He's taking him looking good, ain't he?
didn't hurt near as bad as what I was thinking when I was in mid-wreck, though. I thought I was fucked.
Yeah, I hate them thoughts when you first happen like that. That's what I was saying. Anthony rolled up behind me and I was like clicking him like, so I didn't want him to see how bad I was. Yeah, Honda, watch that Honda, bud. Watch that thing. Smooth like butter.
He might be a big rider, man.
He definitely see right.
Sees the high D up there. What the hell?
Figured I might as well feel that thing, alright.
Coming off at 450, getting on that 650.
Get it, Barry. I love the smell of them fucking toothpaste, bro. There ain't nothing like it. Brings back childhood memories, I swear it does. What's his name? He drives the first trophy too.
Jason Bates.
Oh, Jason?
Jason.
Jesse. I talked to him a little bit, I just never can't remember the name. That's that old age, you know what I mean? David gets up for a high dog.
Yeah. Yeah, David's good, man.
He really is. Like I say, he makes those fat boys look good. It's harder to bounce our fat ass across there, you believe that? Get you, dude.
I saw Red Bull out there.
Yeah, sure.
Did you get any footage of me?
Huh?
So did you get any footage of me?
Yeah, all kinds of it. Yeah, I was filming the whole time y'all was doing it.
Curious to see what I look like.
Look good, for real. Everything.
I hit that jump I tell on like the middle. Going around that little ass turn. Yeah, that's what I hit.
I am truly sore today, y'all. So I'm gonna go out here one more time with these guys, and then I'm going home because I gotta rest up for the next race. This was just a practice day. I was confused and thought it was a race day. Well, I got my helmet right there. If I can get my helmet strapped here. Yeah, I'm done. That leg's fucking toasted.